Very fresh morning to all. My name is Shraddha from grade 9C. Today I am here to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 13th March 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all. This is Adira from 9C. Today I am here to tell today's good thought for the day. Today's thought for the day is, if people remain silent in the face of wrongdoing, the injustice will continue. It reminds us to make right choices in our life and stand up against injustice. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very fresh morning to one and all present over here. We are the students from 9C class and I am Prada Chaugule.
I am Tasmia Mujawar.
I am Prapti Kataria.
And I am Bhavika Bijwani.
Anschluss, the turning point in the international history. Today we are all gathered over here to remember a pivotal moment in the world's history. This story tells us about power, politics and consequences of silence. This event involves of Adolf Hitler. So let us know who was Adolf Hitler first.
Tasmia, can you tell me who was Adolf Hitler?
Yes, Adolf Hitler was the leader of Nazi Germany from 1938 to 1945. He was responsible for the World War II and the Holocaust, which led to the deaths of millions of people.
Bhavika, can you tell me what happened on March 12, 1938?
Yeah, the event on the March 12, 1938, on the cold morning, German soldiers and tanks rolled into Austria, making beginning of Anschluss. For the years, Adolf Hitler and dreamed the united Austrians with Germany, and many Austrians influenced the Nazi propaganda, welcomed the idea. However, not everyone was participating but also overcome.
So Prapti, what are the consequences of the Anschluss?
The Australian Chancellor Kurt Schilling has made his move before the vote could take place. The German troops crossed the border. There was no fighting, no wars. The Austria simply fell into Nazi hands. Crowds cheers, believing this was a new beginning. But for many, especially Jews and political opponents, it marked the start of dark and terrifying times.
So, can you tell me what's the world's response?
The world stayed silent and Britain and France couldn't stop Hitler's aggression. This only encouraged Hitler, and who realized that he would take whatever he wanted without any consequences.
The Anschluss was not just an annexation, but a warning that Europe was heading towards something far worse. World War II on March 12, 1938 became a turning point in the history, a day when aggression won and the road to war became inevitable.
We at Shraddha Olympiad School wanted to emphasize that history teaches us lots of lessons.
It reminds us of the importance of unity, peace and standing against aggression.
By learning from past, we can build a future-based justice, democracy and republic for all the nations.
Let us always strive to inform choices and promote harmony in the world.
Peace is not just the absence of war,
but the presence of fairness and justice. Thank you.